Alright guys, today I wanted to do an unboxing review and we'll even set up my new 3-in-1 charger. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for you, but let's go ahead and check it out. Man, I've been super excited to get this just because normally I have a bunch of cords running through here for like whether it's my headphones, my phone, my watch. It just can be a lot, but if I could just have it all in one charging station, that would be great. So you get the Type-C cable with the block, quick guide right there. All right, there it is. Very nice. And it's supposed to have another light around here, so we'll turn it on, see how it looks. We'll dock everything on here. Man, this is actually really neat. So you'll put your watch up here, you can put the AirPods right here, and then your phone right here. So let's go ahead and set it all up and see how it works. Let's go ahead and actually hook it up for the first time. Oh, very cool. That is cool. I like that light actually. All right, so we'll leave it on that one. And then I got my watch right here. So we'll place it here. And then, I don't know if you can see that, but it is charging. And then we'll do the phone. Bam, there it is. And then last but not least, the AirPods. Bam, that is very cool. So as you can see, everything just stays nice and neat right here. And what's cool is you can actually probably still use your phone while it's docked on here. And I just want to go over a couple things about it. So here is the light does have two options, which is like a breathable one, which is this one right here. And then you could have it off. So in case this is like by your bedside and you kind of don't want that light on, you just turn it off right there, or just a steady blue light that's on. I'll probably keep it on this one and or the breathable one. I kind of like both. And then what I do want to point out on this part as well, I'll disconnect the phone, is this part right here. Let me take these off just so you can see it. This part right here, if it does have a case, you are able to push it back, push it forward. So that way, no matter if you have like one of those bulkier cases, you're still able to dock your phone right here. And then this does work with iPhones 14, all the 14s and below, since it's still a Lightning. And then this will work with all the AirPods that still have the Lightning port as well. And the Apple Watch side should work with all of them, since it's just using this base right here. The adapter that it comes with does use a QC 3.0 adapter, so you know you're getting a fast charge on all your devices. So if you're looking for a way to keep like your workspace nice and clean, or maybe like when you're going to sleep, you like to keep all your devices charged at night, I definitely look into getting this one by iFull. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10.